Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming admin access and downloading the latest Spacedesk server installer on the host. Once done, close remote desktop tools and any VPNs because they block discovery. Make sure both devices share the same local network. Wired or 5 GHz Wi-Fi reduces packet loss. Now run the installer as administrator and choose the full driver package. This writes the Spacedesk Virtual Display driver into Windows. Proceed without skipping driver install, because the virtual adapter is the single required component. Once the installer finished, open Device Manager and select View, then show Hidden Devices. This reveals the Spacedesk Virtual Display adapter. If the adapter is disabled, right-click and enable it. Windows needs that adapter active to create a remote display. If the adapter is absent, run the installer again and choose Repair or manually install the driver from the Spacedesk package. After enabling or repairing, restart Windows to ensure the driver registers fully, and the server service can bind to the virtual display. After reboot, launch Spacedesk Server and confirm it reports ready. Start the Spacedesk viewer on your client and connect using the host IP. Once connected, adjust resolution and scaling in the viewer if the screen looks off. If the display still remains off, uninstall Spacedesk, disable Windows Fast Startup, temporarily turn off firewall rules for Spacedesk, and reinstall the driver. This final troubleshooting step, repairing the driver and stopping Fast Startup, resolves the vast majority of virtual display failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.